All right, in this problem, Miss Hart actually was doing pretty well. She took 63, and if we think about the numbers that multiply to 63, we know 1 times 63 and 9 times 7. Now, 9 is a perfect square, so we do want to use that one. So she actually made a good pick here. And she broke it down into root 7 times root 9, which is fine. However, the square root of 7 is something in between 2 and 3. It definitely is not just the number 7. So that's where she made her mistake. And the square root of 9 is actually equal to the number 3, not the square root of 3. Those are two totally different numbers, so she made another mistake right there. So what we want to do is show Miss Hart how to get the correct answer. And I think that something that could help Miss Hart would be, instead of writing this as 7 times 9, choosing to write the perfect square first makes this a lot easier to simplify. Because if the square root of 63 is the square root of 9 times the square root of 7, we know that the square root of 9 is really just the number 3. Not root 3, but 3. The square root of 7, again, that's something I don't know, and I actually can't simplify because 7 is only 1 times 7. So I'm going to leave that underneath the radical as 3 times the square root of 7, and I'm done. You can see how these answers are totally different, 7 root 3 versus 3 root 7. If I were to enter them into my calculator, there would be two totally separate values. So that's what Miss Hart did wrong, as well as the correct work.